Wanna hide a folder on your computer? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide and unhide folders in Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First, open up the File Explorer on your computer. Then go to the location of the folder you want to hide. Next, right-click on the folder and then click on Properties. Then check the box that says Hidden and then click on Apply and then on OK. And the folder will be hidden. But to see it, click on View from the top bar. After that, hover over Show and then click on the hidden item. Now the folder you hid should appear again. If you want to unhide it completely, right-click on the folder, then select Properties from the context menu. Next, uncheck the box labeled Hidden, then click on Apply and then on OK. And your folder will be unhidden. So that's about it, guys. If the video proved to be useful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more Windows tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.